If you want to wear this multi-layer hijab style but you don't have much time to try this style, so here I have a quick solution for you. Try this beautiful multi-layer instant Behrin hijab. This look perfect, and just place your instant hijab on your head, adjust the center of your hijab like this, and now take the ends of your hijab and tie a knot at the back of your neck like this, the way I'm doing here, and adjust the center. Now look at these beautiful perfect layers. Isn't it so beautiful? Now follow the video for the final look. Take the sides and fold it like this. Secure it with a safety pin and you're good to go. So just now take the one end and tie around your neck the way I'm doing, and tuck it at the back of your neckline. Take the second end and wrap around your neck like this, the way I'm doing. Goes perfectly with any outfit. You can try this, and definitely check out my Insta page for the product details. Bye bye.